actually start making a video now. I haven't really done this by myself, and definitely not in front of a bunch of journalists who tell stories for a living, so bear with me. But this morning we're flying to Biratnagar. Touchdown, Biratnagar. Okay, welcome to Dhankuta. Dhankuta's finest hotel at that. Look at this palace. I'm doing a rubbish job filming, I'm pretty sure, but we've made it. And today was mostly a travel day. The real stuff will start tomorrow, and maybe I will not be so shy to film in front of people, but unlikely. We're just about to meet everybody back downstairs for an orientation walk, but before we do, now might be a good time to tell you a little bit more about Community Homestay Network and what I'm doing here in Nepal. Community Homestay Network is a social enterprise that connects travelers with families and villages across Nepal. The idea is simple. Instead of hotels, you stay in local homes and experience daily life firsthand. Their mission is to create authentic cultural experiences while making tourism more meaningful for the communities involved. A big part of that is empowering women, giving them training, resources, and support to run their own homestays. Many of the hosts are mothers or housewives who've learned hospitality, English, and sustainable practices through Community Homestay Network's programs. A portion of every stay goes back into community projects like scholarships and small infrastructure improvements, so the impact extends beyond each home. Our group was led by James, Kalpana, and Nabeen, who work directly with the local host to make sure every exchange benefits both travelers and communities. And just to recap for the next 2 days, we have 2 nights in this area. Then what I'm most excited about, we have 2 nights of a homestay, 1 night in Janakpur, and then we're going to fly back to Kathmandu for the Community Connect event and share everything that we have seen and experienced over the last few days. Real quick though, I don't have Hayes for the room tour, and I had no expectations, but look at this place. Flip. Got a whole living room, bed area over there, bathroom here, and then I think I got one of the best rooms because there's a balcony. How cute is this? I cannot wait to go check it out. The hike this morning was beautiful, but I'm much more of a food-motivated person, so I'm really excited about where we are now, which is Kochita Community Homestay, where we're participating in a farm-to-table experience. The sun is about to set. We're in this absolutely stunning community, fresh vegetables everywhere. I think we're on our way to milk some cows, and then we're going to cook all the stuff we just picked. Needless to say, this is right up my alley. It was raining when we got here, but it's cleared up, and it's just, yeah, this place is really special. been peer pressured into milking this cow. It's hard. I told you I was bad at this. Like, how do you do it? Oh, it's thumb. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I've milked a cow. Thank you. Darren, you said you're happy to share this stuff?
What?
Your footage? Okay. So if you see beautiful drone footage in this video, it is Darren. We have to thank for that. So
Yeah.
I'll put his YouTube channel here.
Cheers.
So I don't know if I've said this, but this is my first trip without Pete and Hayes ever. And honestly, before the trip, I was a little bit nervous, and I need to be able to FaceTime them and check in. For me, that was a non-negotiable. I also work as a travel advisor, and this week alone, I have clients flying to Norway, Japan, India, and the US. Told you it was rural. And so staying connected isn't just a bonus, it's really essential for my work, which is why we love Holafly. Holafly gives you unlimited data in over 200 destinations, and there's always a reliable connection. Look. Yeah, full bars. It could not be more simple. You just scan a QR code before your trip so that when you touch down, you can activate it and be connected immediately. There's no waiting around in airport lines and searching for a physical SIM and wondering about connection. And even here in rural Nepal, as I just showed you, I have been totally connected the whole time. Actually, we're on a trip with 10 other people using various options, and mine has always been the best. I have been providing my personal hotspot to quite a few people on this trip. Being out here on my first solo trip and being able to keep up with work and also check in with family, show Pete and Hayes the beautiful places I'm getting to see, has given me the best peace of mind. Thank you, Holafly. I can highly recommend them if you need to stay connected on your next trip, and if you do, you can use this code here for 5% off. I'll also leave all the details on the link in the description. Good morning. Before we connect with the local community via our homestays, we have a coffee date with the gentleman we met last night at the bar. Good morning. Happy birthday. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Having the best morning. That birthday party was fantastic. Now we're gonna walk through Orange Town, which is charming, and now we're at a local market, which is my absolute favorite thing. And there's this lady here selling pani puri, and I just asked Kalpana, like, is it okay for me to eat? She was like, have you been to India? I was like, yeah. So now I'm gonna have some pani puri. Alicia's never had pani puri. This is my favorite Indian snack. Okay. Pani puri, yeah. We can share one and then you can see if you like it. It's usually like 6. So she fills this with vegetables, usually potato. I don't know, Nepali version.
Spicy or not?
I like spicy. Do you like spicy? Kalpana just poured this for me, fresh on the spot. I've never seen it like that.
It's good.
Are we in here?
You're living in that house. Wait, why are you living at the bottom?
What? I'm living at the top.
Offering food or using it for the party, like the bowls and plates also. That's it. You just need to make it.
Thank you, Dhanyavad. Good morning. It's not yet 5 o'clock. I woke up at 3:15 to come catch sunrise up at this sunrise point. And I'm being motivated by hot coffee at the top. This place is famous for rhododendrons. It's the last night in our homestay and we're just having a little dance. It's a cultural feast. We were previously dressed up in traditional attire, but I missed my pockets. And I think we're about to be presented with some local alcohol.
It is rice and chicken with the burnt feathers of the chicken. So it is mixed. So it is the traditional dish of Artlist Rai community. So usually
With the feathers?
Yeah.
This is what I'm holding?
No, that's
radish.
pickle
Oh, yeah.
with
Okay.
Niger seeds.
I made a mess of it. Good morning. It's our last morning here. Can you hear the beautiful birds chirping? Buffalo mooing? Yeah, I don't think I've showed you much at all from where we're staying, so I think I'm gonna go get some breakfast, but I'll also try to show you our host Kavita's house and the sleeping arrangements, and it's been just this lovely stay. Look at what we've been waking up to every morning out here. Just beautiful. But today we're heading to Janakpur, which is our last stop before returning to Kathmandu tomorrow. So that's where I was just standing. This is the entryway to our house. You walk past here, past the baby buffalo, and this big guy here. Hi guys. And then got your firewood. Beautiful views. And then you come up here and we have a toilet, which actually we were all quite surprised. There was a Western toilet and a shower, and I think another shower. And then over around here, we've all been commenting there are just beautiful houseplants everywhere throughout Nepal. Here's ours. And over around here is where we have been staying. Little room to hang out. And my room. I have slept so well the past 2 nights, actually. So that is the very quick room tour. If you watch some of our other videos, I apologize that I don't have Hayes with me to do a much better job.
Breakfast.
Okay? Yes. Okay. Here's Carolyn. Bye. 9 hours later, we have arrived in Janakpur, where we saw an arty, and we've come for dinner at this Mithila Thali place, where I think the chef was on MasterChef, and I thought we all thought we were just going for dinner, but we came for this as well. Good morning. We have a painting class in about an hour that I've been excited for this whole trip, but I wanted to get out and check out the temple because I think that's what the city is most famous for in the morning. And it appears my mates are still sleeping after last night, so I'm on a solo journey and I'm loving it. I'm fully lost, but we're like 15 minutes from the Indian border and it feels a lot like India, which is my favorite place to travel.